Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
If you go there at around sunset, 6:30 and all, the stench is unbearable. Sometimes I think it's their control. आमच्या 2-3-4 दीस आसपा ना आतां कितें जाल्लो आनी थोडे दिसान आनीक स्टार्ट जालें.
So what's the thing out?
Unbearable stench. Because why I'm complaining is because when it was made operational, inaugurated, the minister said that you will be able to drink water there. Such is the state of the art technology which is used there. I think so. I don't want to cast aspersions on anybody, but if this is the fact that there's a stench there, that they are reluctant to give connections, then there is something wrong, possibly, with the plant.
I change your FPS of inspection.
Definitely. I'm very grateful to the CEO, to the sanitary officer, and they have done a great job. They have understood the whole problem. Now the matter is kept in June.
So कित्याक लागून तुका हें जालें पेटिशन घालपा? What was the cause?
See, 25 years, almost every Gram Sabha, people have been complaining. And no other department, even last time municipality had conducted an inspection, if you remember, somewhere early this year. Only municipality attended, the other departments because of some COVID or some other reason did not come. So, people are very happy because nobody is taking any action. Gram Sabha after Gram Sabha, we have been taking resolutions. Then somebody proposed, you have to go to the court. Court 3 lakhs at least will be there. So I said, I am also one of the affected person over there. I have got a feeling. So I said, let's try and put a PIL. Yes.
How big a concern is it about the groundwater contamination?
You see, I don't know. Old reporters also will be knowing. Even 20 years back, people have come there. Lots are getting mined, they will pollute the Tagmode area and all that. So many inspections have taken place. Pollution Control Board ko kitle report astat.
Issues with the sewerage department. They say that whatever lines they have taken, there is the proper study has not been conducted. There are some gradient issue, and there is no flow of this thing properly. So these issues are there. So let us see. We have asked for the map of the site map of the entire city to know about what is their exact plan of action.
So sewerage department is saying the line is not proper.
They say that there is some issues are there and they are trying to sort it out.
So most of your Margam buildings are not connected to the sewage.
Is there any resolution passed that sewage connection should be compulsory for?
That is within the bylaws. No, they have once a big building comes, they have to connect to the sewerage connection. They have to get it. Once they are applying to us, now the construction license itself mandates that they have to obtain all the type of connections.
So it should be compulsory.
Yeah. Now whatever new bylaw act is there, no, it is very compulsory to all the buildings.
So do the municipal engineers check whether it is connected?
Actually, they have to, at the time of occupancy, they have to check it.
Sir, आज meeting किती हाती आपली काय माशे brief करू?
आज meeting असली ती सायपे लेखा पोलिस जात म्हणून there is a petition before the Honorable High Court. Honorable High Court has asked some action plan from this municipal local body. So we have involved all the authorities like sewerage, like PWD, like health, and we are a coalition also. And we held a meeting, we held a deliberation. We are going to bring some solutions, and we are also inspecting the site. So sewerage department has some issues. They said like proper some pipeline, whatever it is. So we are trying our best to get some relief from this. And before the matter comes before the Honorable High Court, we are trying to bring our action plan.
Sir, is this to be submitted in a specific time to the court or how the action plan?
Yeah. Now the matter was recently it was taken. Now the next date of hearing is given in June. So before that, what action we have taken, we will inform our advocate to make a submission before the Honorable High Court.
कशें आसा एक PIL फायल जाला एक हायकोर्टान आनी ही जी पळय ड्रेनेज आसा जो व्हडलो नालो आसा कुचेडकार हॉस्पिटला कडेन जो एक व्हडलो नालो येता प्लस ह्या रस्त्या वयल्यान एक बारीकशे नाले वयता तो थंय येवन शेतां पॉल्यूट करता म्हणून अशें एक कोणें PIL फायल केला हायकोर्टान सो ताजेर आमी काल मॅटर जाल्लो सो ते आमी कशें आसा सगळे डिपार्टमेंटांक आपयल्ले आयज मिटिंगेक. वी हॅड कॉल्ड PWD, सिवेज, वॉटर सप्लाय, द हेल्थ, द सिवरेज कॉर्पोरेशन आनी द पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड सगळ्यांक आयिल्लें. सो कितें आसा वी नीड टू फायंड सम वन सोल्युशन फॉर दॅट. सो ताका लागून आमी सगळें मिटींग आपयली. सो इन्स्पेक्शन केलां. आतां जशें नदरेन हाडून दिला लोकांनी हांगसर कितें द वर्क इज पेंडींग बिकॉज ऑफ द कटींग ऑफ हें कितें रोड. सो आमी म्हाका हें खबर नाशिल्लें. दिस थींग वॉज बील हांगा PWD नॅशनल हायवे आसा. आमी पत्र बरोवपाचें की तांकां बेगीच्या बेगीन हो प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व जाल्यार पयलीं सिवेज कनेक्शन घेवपाचें. सो तांकां बेगीच्या बेगीन हें परमिशन दिवचें. प्लस कलेक्टराक एक कॉपी धाडून दिता बाबा अशें आसा कित्याक स्टेट इज ऑल्सो पार्टी फॉर दीस.
पण हे सालपे लेखाक सगळी सिवेज आसता तितून वयता आसलो.
हय ते थंय सायपे लेक म्हणल्यार सायपे लेक थंय आतां सायपे लेक पळोवपाक गेले जाल्यार सगळी ड्राय आसा. सिवरेज डिपार्टमेंट जशें येयन सांगलें म्हाका थंय वेल बांदल्या थंयसरल्यान उदक पंप करून सिवरेज ट्रिटमेंट प्लांटान व्हरता थंय ते ट्रीट जाता. पूण सद्या ड्राय आसा. पूण हो जो वयल्यान नालो देंवता हांगासर सगळो असो वता तो वेलां वता तो खंय तरी बंद जावपाक.
Court directed them that to have an inspection. I told the court yesterday that it is not enough to just issue show cause notices or threats to cut their electricity and all. That is not going to serve the purpose because there are other sources also which are polluting the thing like the gutters. There are small slum areas in Margaon which are also letting their refuse thing a connection like that STP plant. And the major concern is whether the STP plant itself is functional. There's a major doubt there.
दोन प्लांट गायलो मग त्यांनी फाटी. सुदीन धवलीकर बी PWD मिनिस्टर दोन प्लांट इनॉग्रेट केले.
He came there.
No, I'll check.
So come Monday in the evening there, see the stain.
No, I was also petitioner in this
Sir,
similar
this
thing.
is the only prayer you have made in the court.
Yes, about the thing of the Saltantore. I said that this is a heritage field. Okay, it was built some 3,000 years back. You know, it is not easy. See, if there is a pyramid in Egypt, we see that it's a historical marvel. But this itself is a historical marvel. You see, it has taken them hundreds of years to have this system. It is not based on more or flat field. It has got different type of its own ecosystem by itself. And this we fail to realize.
So what is the petition number? Petitioner number किती गेलो? Read
22.
of 2022
21.
or 21
And
last
it
year.
was filed somewhere in September.
First and foremost, we are very much, we appreciate the Honorable High Court for having taken a serious note on the pollution that is taking place with respect to the sewage disposal. However, here the people have assembled of different buildings. हांगा जमा जाल्या कित्याक लागून कित्याक तांकां नोटिसीस येयल्या रिगार्डींग सिवेज डिस्पोजल. आतां ह्या सगळ्या बिल्डिंगांनी जांकां नोटीस येयल्या तेमी ऑलरेडी एप्लाय केल्ले आहा फॉर सिवेज कनेक्शन. सी दीस पर्टिक्युलर इज इन 3rd April 2019 3 वर्सां जालीं एप्लाय केलें जाल्यार फॉर सिवेज कनेक्शन. सिवेज डिपार्टमेंटान नॅशनल हायवेक लेटरूय केल्ली आसा फॉर NOC फॉर रोड कटिंग. सो पूण आजून पासून ते NOC दिवना. परतून आनी एकदां रिमायंडर दिलो बेगीन कंप्लीट करा म्हणून कित्याक ऑन अकाउंट ऑफ ऑल द नोटिसीस दॅट आर बीइंग सर्व. 4 तारखेर आनी एक लेटर केला रिमायंडर टू नॅशनल हायवे NOC दियात पूण आजून पासून दिवना. आनी दिना त्या कारणाक लागून तांकां सिवेज कनेक्शन घेवपाक मेळना. आतां ते कितें म्हणटा की एक सायडीन लायन आसा दुसरे सायडीन लायन ना. इनफॅक्ट 5 वर्स पयलीं आमी सगळ्यांले सिग्नेचर घेवन आमी सिवेज डिपार्टमेंटाक लेटर केल्लें की हे सायडीनूय लायन घालात पूण आजून पासून ते येवना जावन लायन घालूंकूच ना. पूण नेवरदलेस ते सायडीन बिल्डींग आहा तांकांय आजून कनेक्शन दिवना. प्लस हे सायडीन जी बिल्डींग आहा एक 3 बिल्डिंगांक 3 कॉम्प्लेक्सांक हे सायडीन सोनूय क्रॉस करून दिल्या. सो इट इज नॉट फेअर. वाय आर दे सेलेक्टीव? दिता सगळ्यांक दिया न्हू तेमी एप्लाय करूं ना अशें ना. तांकां कसली इच्छा ना की मुद्दम जावन पोल्युशन करपाक कोणाक इच्छा ना कित्याक इट इज फायनली हेजर्डस फॉर एवरीबडी. सो आमी मागता की सिवरेज डिपार्टमेंटान ऑर गव्हर्मेंटान जाता तितले बेगीन हे सिवरेज कनेक्शन दिवची बेगीन आनी तांकांय हो जो हेडेक आहा तो रिलीव करचो. आतां ह्या बिल्डिंगान ते नोटीस येयले म्हण आमी एक सोपपीट देखून मारपाक ऑलरेडी सुरवात केली पूण 100% त्या सोपपीटाक कांयच इफेक्ट जावपा ना कित्याक हांगा वॉटर टेबल हाय आसा. सो वॉटर टेबल हाय आसले कारणान ते सिवेज एब्जॉर्ब जावपाक कॅपेसिटीच ना. ओवरफ्लो जातलेच पूण आतां फायनली नोटीस येयले म्हणटा कितें तरी कम्प्लाय करपा जाय म्हण तांकां आनी अननेसेसरी एक्सपेंडिचर करपा पडटा. 6 टँकर्स तेमी अनलोड केले 20,000 दिवन हितूंतल्यान पूण ताका इफेक्टीव ना. सिवरेज कनेक्शन इज द लास्ट थिंग. सो आतां आमी म्हणटा की ओन्ली दीस बिल्डिंग्स हेच बिल्डिंग ना आतां नाला जे ESI हॉस्पिटलांतल्यान येता जावं रविराज हॉटेलांतल्यान येता ते एक न्हंय जाल्ल्या भाशेन आसा आमच्या टायम आमी भुरगेपणा आसतना हांगाच रावताले आमी त्या टायमार ह्या म्हयन्या म्हणल्यार तो नाला ड्राय उरतालो एक थेंब उदकान आसतालो आनी आमी चलून वचून ते रिवर्साला आमी न्हांवपा वयताले इतली क्लीन आसताले पूण आतां ते न्हंय जावन गेले आसा पूण एवरी टायम कितें जेन्ना सिवरेज इश्यू येता जाल्यार ह्याच बिल्डिंगाक टार्गेट जाता पूण रायट फ्रॉम रेल्वे तुमी आजची ह्या टायमार पासून तुमी सपोज रेल्वे क्रॉस केले ते सायडीन रेल्वे स्टेशन वा नाक्या सायड थिंगा नाला कन्स्ट्रक्शन चालू आसा सो प्रायोरिटीज हें जाल्लें आहा instead of laying more stress on sewage network completion, our government, whichever government that comes, is more interested in constructing sewage channels. म्हळ्यार ते नाला म्हणटा पळय आमी स्टॉर्म वॉटर नाला म्हण पण एक्चुअली दे आर सिवेज चॅनल्स त्याचेर चड खर्च जाता हे सिवरेज नेटवर्काचे घातले सो ह्यो प्रायोरिटीज मिक्स जाल्ले आहा गव्हर्मेंटाच्यो खंयचोच गव्हर्मेंट जावन सो तेन्ना आमी मागता की हे जे एटलिस्ट ह्या बिल्डिंगाक ह्या ज्या कॉम्प्लेक्सीस जे आसा जाणे ऑलरेडी एप्लाय केल्ले आहा सिवरेज कनेक्शनाक तांची सिवरेज कनेक्शन जाता तितली बेगीन रिलीज करचें आनी तांकां ह्या हार्डशिपांतल्यान मुक्त करचें